Baby, I'm resting. My life is saturated, I'm fading. The chains around my neck won't let it. They're the only thing keeping my head up.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Celine and welcome to my channel. So for today's video guys, as you can see sa title, we will be talking about KOJIC soap. What it does onto our skin and how to properly use it to make it more effective. And later guys, i-share ko din sa inyo yung aking long-time partner when it comes sa pagpapalighten ng aking skin. So if you are interested guys to know more about KOJIC soap, then please keep on watching. But before that guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel, turn on notifications, you will get notified every time I post a new video. So if you are ready, then let's begin. Yes guys, so thank you so much for staying with me. So today's video nga po, pag-uusapan natin is about KOJIC soap. So ano nga ba yung ginagawa nitong sabon na ito para sa ating skin? So KOJIC soap guys is known for skin lightening because of its ingredient na kojic acid. Ayan. So kung gusto ninyong magpaputi and gusto niyo ng medyo mag-lighten ng inyong skin tone without spending much, ayan, very affordable, then you have to try itong KOJIC soap guys. And later guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung aking ginagamit na matagal na KOJIC soap. Etong i-share ko sa inyo ngayon guys is para lamang doon po sa mga gustong magpa-lighten ng kanilang skin tone. And just a quick disclaimer lang guys, I am not a professional dermatologist nor I am not a doctor. So, lahat ng i-share ko po sa inyo is based lamang po sa aking experience. And simula guys, nung natutunan ko how to properly use etong KOJIC soap to make it more effective, and ginawa ko siya guys, ayun, proven talaga na in just as early as 7 days, nakita ko talaga na nag-lighten yung aking skin tone. So anyways guys, ngayon ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung aking long-time partner when it comes sa pagpapalighten ng aking skin. And ang long-time partner ko guys pagdating sa pagpapalighten ng aking skin is no other than eto. Ayan, si KOJISan. So, eto guys, ginamit ko since, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, 2008 or 2007. So, eto guys, yung matagal ko nang ginagamit na KOJIC soap. Kasi, bukod sa affordable na siya, yet very effective itong KOJIC soap na ito. And gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo guys some facts about KOJISan. KOJISan, the pioneer in KOJIC soap, is probably the hottest whitening soap available in almost every supermarket today. From a single soap inspired by a famous Japanese skin beauty element Ventures Incorporated, has created revolutionary products that changed many loyal users' perspective in life and found confidence in their awakened beauty. And this KOJISan soap guys, introduced in the market since 2006, KOJISan has always been true and honest to its promise. Effective, safe, and quality lightening products that contains high-grade kojic acid. And alam nyo ba guys, itong KOJISan is kilalang kilala dito sa atin sa Pilipinas and mostly some part of Europe and Asia. And guys, itong KOJISan is madali mo lang din siyang hanapin. Available siya almost sa lahat ng supermarkets and even sa drugstore. So ito guys is very affordable. So ayan yung kanyang pinaka-packaging. And ganito yung kadalasang binibili ko. Kasi meron na siyang 3 bars na kagaya nito. Yan guys yung pinaka-packaging niya. And ganito naman siya sa likod. And dito sa likod niya guys nakalagay that KOJISan Skin Lightening Soap uses high-grade kojic acid that effectively makes skin lighter, aeropigment light technology that targets dark spots and uneven skin tone. And this KOJISan soap guys is dermatologically tested and paraben-free. Then nakalagay din dito guys sa kanyang packaging yung how to use, the precautions, and the ingredients. So kung gusto niyo guys malaman yung kanyang mga ingredients, nandito sa kanyang packaging. This KOJISan Kojic Acid Soap guys is a product of Beauty Elements Ventures Incorporated. And alam niyo ba guys, para mas makatipid ako dito sa KOJIC soap na ito, ang ginagawa ko, itong isang bar niya is pinaghahati ko pa or kinakat ko pa yan into 4 pieces. And nakakatipid ako guys sobra kapag ganun yung ginagawa ko. And itong isang box guys, sobrang matagal ko na itong gamitin. So anyways guys, ngayon naman alamin natin kung paano nga ba gamitin o how to properly use this KOJIC soap to make it more effective. So first guys, para sa ating face, So, ang unang step natin guys is kailangan natin syempreng basain yung ating face. And then, babasain din natin yung ating KOJIC soap. Pwede tayong gumamit ng lukewarm water or kahit anong tubig ang gusto ninyong gamitin. Ganyan. And then, pabubulain lang natin yung KOJIC acid soap guys sa ating kamay. Kasi yung bula guys, yun lang yung gagamitin natin para sa ating face. And step number 2 guys, massage the lather onto our face and sa ating neck. Ganyan. So, yung pinakabula lang guys na nakuha natin doon sa sabon, yun lang yung imamassage natin sa ating buong face and sa ating neck. And guys, you can massage it for about a minute depending on your skin sensitivity kasi meron yung iba na hindi talaga nila makayanan yung tingling sensation, ganyan. So, you can rinse it off na agad-agad din naman. Pero kung okay lang naman sa skin mo, so, you can massage it for about a minute bago mo siya banlawan. Kasi guys, kapag nararamdaman ninyo yung tingling sensation, ganyan, it means nag-work na sa skin ninyo yung KOJIC acid. And then the last step guys is pat dry your face with towel. So, wag natin kukuskusin yung face natin. So, pat dry lang natin, ganyan. Okay, and then next naman guys, so for my body, of course, para maging pantay naman sila, even yung aking skin tone, gumagamit din ako nitong KOJISAN sa aking katawan guys. Same step lang din guys nung ginagawa ko sa aking face. So, unang-una guys, first step is binabasa ko muna yung aking buong katawan. And then next is naglalather lang ako or pinapabula ko lang etong KOJISAN. And then yung bula lang mismo yung aking minamassage sa aking buong katawan. Third step guys, ang pagkakaiba lang sa aking face, minamassage ko lang siya for about a minute. Pero sa aking katawan guys, mas mataas yung tolerance ng aking skin sa aking body. Minamassage ko siya guys sa buong katawan ko for about 2 to 3 minutes, ganyan. And kita ko talaga na super effective siya kapag ganun yung ginagawa ko. Kasi as in, nag-penetrate talaga sa aking skin yung pinaka-ingredient nito, which is the KOJIC acid. Pero guys, normal lang talaga yung medyo mahapdi talaga siya sa balat kasi nag-work talaga yung KOJIC acid. Pero kung parang feeling nyo meron na kayong burning sensation na nararamdaman, pwede nyo na sigurong banlawan itong KOJIC soap. So, ayun guys, yung aking steps kung paano ko ginagamit itong KOJISAN, KOJIC acid soap to make it more effective talaga sa aking skin. And guys, I'll be giving you some tips while using etong KOJISAN. Tip number 1 guys, do not use this soap directly onto your skin. So, yung lather lang or pinakabula lang niya guys, ang gagamitin natin pang massage sa ating skin. Tip number 2 guys, while using this KOJISAN, make sure to use sunblock or sunscreen. So, kung gumagamit kayo guys ng any KOJIC soap, make sure to wear sunscreen or sunblock kapag lumalabas kayo ng bahay. Or even kahit nandito lang kayo sa loob, importante talaga na gumamit tayo ng sunscreen or lotion. Kasi ito guys, ang tendency kasi nito kapag gumagamit tayo ng mga KOJIC acid soap is medyo magdadry talaga yung skin natin. So, kailangan natin ng lotion, ganyan. Para maging more effective talaga itong KOJISAN, pwede tayong gumamit din ng mga whitening lotion with SPF na rin. Ako guys, personally, ang ginagamit kong sunscreen sa aking face is ito, yung Hello Glow 3-in-1 Lightweight and Sun Care Gel. So, meron ako guys review nito in case na gusto ninyong malaman or interested kayong malaman more about this sunscreen, ilalagay ko na lang din dito. And then, for my body naman guys, gumagamit naman ako ng lotion with SPF. And ang gamit ko naman guys is ito, Skin White. Etong Light Fill Technology with SPF 20. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko guys itong lotion na ito kasi hindi siya malagkit and sobrang bango rin niya. And then sa gabi naman guys, ang ginagamit kong lotion is etong Glow and White from Skin Magical. Ayan guys, ito naman yung ginagamit kong lotion every night. Sobrang ganda rin ito guys, hindi rin siya malagkit, madali din siyang ma-absorb ng skin. Super effective paired with KOJISAN. So, yun yung ginagamit kong lotion. Ito every morning with SPF and ito naman every night. Tip number 3 guys, dahil kapag gumagamit tayo ng KOJIC acid soap guys, ang tendency is talagang drying siya sa skin. So, mas okay kung gagamit tayo ng mga moisturizer ganyan sa ating skin or pwede na rin tayong gumamit ng mga lotion ganyan para talagang hindi mag-dry yung ating skin. Importante guys na gumamit tayo ng mga moisturizer or body lotion to keep our skin hydrated. Tip number 4 guys, while using this KOJIC sun, don't expose your skin too much under the sun. Kasi nga diba nagpapaputi tayo. Nasa process ng pagpapalighten yung ating skin. So tip number 5 ko sa inyo guys, on your first week, use this product once a day lamang po. Kapag nasa second week na kayo, pwede na kayong gumamit twice a day. Pero depending pa rin guys on your skin. So when it comes sa pagpapalighten ng skin, be more patient with the results. Hindi natin pwedeng madaliin yung pagputi ng skin natin, nagagamitin natin siya kada oras, ganyan. Always make sure na sundin natin yung recommended use neto KOJIC sun. So everyone has a different skin types, different skin condition. Sa iba, maring mabilis mag-work itong KOJIC sun, pero sa iba naman, hindi ganun kabilis. Pero mas okay na rin na be patient when it comes sa result nitong KOJIC sun. Sa mga magtatanong guys, kung okay ba para sa inyo itong KOJIC sun, kojic acid soap, siguro maybe kapag mga teenager, hindi ko pa siya ma-recommend para sa inyo. So, maybe pwede kayong gumamit kapag kayo is nasa 20s na. And hindi rin ito guys recommended para sa mga merong sensitive skin, merong eczema, and contact dermatitis. And also, because dun sa mga other ingredients nito guys, hindi rin siya recommended for pregnant women. Ako guys, personally, gumamit ako nitong KOJIC sun. Nasa late 20s na ako. So, prepare na yung skin ko para sa mga ganito, kojic acid, ganyan na mga ingredients. So, kaya naging okay siya and naging effective siya sa akin. And hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng mga side effects. So, yun guys, yung aking steps on how to use this KOJIC sun to make it more effective. And some tips na maibibigay ko sa inyo while using this KOJIC sun. So for my final thoughts guys, just a reminder, while using this kind of soap, it can give you some benefits like it can lighten your skin, and brighten your complexion, but it also has a side effect. You can try this with your own risk, or much better na magtanong kayo sa mga dermatologist or kumonsult kayo sa inyong mga doktor kung okay ba para sa inyong skin etong kojic acid soap. But if you love your natural skin tone, then so be it. No matter what skin tone you preferred, I respect you for that. And no matter what skin tone you have, you are beautiful. But if you want to achieve that brighter looking skin and magiging happy ka and confident, then you can try this KOJIC sun. Pair it with your favorite whitening lotion para talagang bongga ang ating skin tone. But always remember guys, the tips and the proper ways to use it to make it more effective. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope na nakatulong sa inyo ang ating video for today. And guys, if you have any video suggestions or meron pa kayong mga questions regarding dito sa ating KOJIC sun, just leave a comment below. And please guys, don't forget to follow me on my Facebook and Instagram account. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Be nice, stay safe, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!
Baby, I'm messed up. My life is such a wreck.